Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're here at Silver Lake Sand Dunes. We're gonna have some fun with the RC cars. I did bring two of my most favorite RC cars here with me. Threw some paddle tires on them. So we're gonna have some fun. We're not gonna have the Razor out here today, but regardless, we're still gonna have some fun. So let's go ahead and see what I brought. Okay, so we brought out the 30 Degree North Losi 5T, ended up throwing on a set of these Xmaxx paddle tires on it. They worked pretty well. I think it's a 24mm hex on here, so I did have to bore out the center of the wheel right there in order to get those to fit. And then coming over here, I did end up putting on the paddle tires on the UDR because this was the whole plan for this truck, was to turn it into a sand dune rig. So let's go ahead, let's fire up the 5T and let's get this thing running. Okay, we're back home from the sand dunes, so let's go ahead and give a quick damage report of the vehicles. Pretty much everything did perfectly fine. The only thing that did happen was that on the 30 Degree North, I lost drive in the back right tire. So hopefully that's just an easy fix. And then the Traxxas UDR did perfectly fine. So that's good to see. That is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video. I am going to be going back to the sand dunes next month for the end of the season, and I think I am going to go to the pedestrian area this time rather than the main sand dunes, so that way I can drive the cars and it's going to be less rutted and less people around, just less chaos in general. Thank you guys again for supporting the channel, and I hope to see you in the next one.